For this course, being only 6 weeks long during summer, I have learned a lot of new material, even more than I have learned in a class that's a full semester long. From learning about the difference between chemical and physical changes to learning about different drug groups, this class has taught me a lot, especially for a person whose strong suit is definitely not science. Chemistry for Liberal Studies is a terminal chemistry class that presents basic concepts of chemistry and examines the role of chemistry in consumer products and the environment. Although I have gained a lot of positive benefits from taking this course, I would have to say that the two most beneficial things that we learned about to me was the last material that we covered, the drug and medicine module and the food we eat module. These were very helpful to me because I usually just eat whatever I want and do not really monitor what is going into my body. Ever since we covered the module on the food we eat and were assigned to watch the movie Super Size Me, I have actually been changing my eating habits and watching what I eat. As for the drugs and medicine module, I really like learning about the different types of drugs and stimulants because I know a lot of people who take drugs casually and do not realize that the addiction is real. They also do not realize what these drugs are doing to their bodies until after this module, and neither did I. Some activities that I found compelling and applicable were both of the scientific experiments that we had to perform with the red cabbage and the strawberries. I thought these were both very useful assignments because, for one, I did not know much about acids and bases and was not able to determine if a substance was basic or acidic just by tasting it. I liked the DNA experiment because it was educational, but also fun, not just your average book and reading and quiz. I am also more of a hands-on person, so doing this experiment at my home was beneficial. I just wish that I could have had two or more people there to help me. One activity that I definitely did not enjoy was the whole module on the periodic table. As many years as I have tried to get the information down in my brain about the periodic table, it never fails to confuse me. Applying chemistry to real-life scenarios happens every day, whether trying to find some fresh water to drink or just sitting on the couch eating mint chocolate chip ice cream. Right there, that's a heterogeneous mixture. You can apply chemistry to everything that you do on the daily. As fascinating as it is to know where most fresh water comes from, or the effects of acid rain, the most interesting parts of this course that I would like to apply to my daily life would probably be things that I can improve my lifestyle with and the environment as well. Some examples could be using less water when showering, doing dishes, or daily activities. This is beneficial for my water bill and for the environment. Also, like I said before, eating healthier and eating out in moderation is something I would like to apply to my daily life. That is beneficial for my health and my bank account. Lastly, I would like to influence the opinions of my friends who are drug users and tell them all the harmful effects that I have learned. There are still many unanswered questions about chemistry that I have. There's just so much information to cover, but this course has given me a better understanding about the basic principles of health, energy, food, and the environment. I thought this course was going to be similar to the introduction of chemistry and that I was going to be very overwhelmed, especially in a 6-week period, but all the information was spread out very efficiently, and I feel very satisfied with the material that I have learned from this course. Thank you, Professor Bush.